Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're looking for a 250 cubic centimeter cruiser with a unique look, the Bolt 250, released between 2026 and 2027, is currently trending. What makes it even more interesting is that, based on the images circulating, this bike appears to have a strong character. Looking at its appearance, this cruiser clearly sports a low, long, and compact style. The fuel tank is large and rounded, painted metallic blue with bold, Bolt lettering, a simple yet bold impression. The front features a round headlight with a classic modern look, combined with relaxed handlebars. The front fender is also minimalist, further enhancing the bobber aura. Moving into the middle area, the engine and frame are predominantly dark, a strong contrast against the blue body. The exhaust is long and black, giving the side silhouette a heavy and macho look. The rear is what makes it truly cruiser. The seat is low and stepped, providing a relaxed riding position. At the rear, there's a short, neat fender, but the most striking aspect is the large, beefy rear tire, giving the bike a muscular stance. The rear suspension uses a dual shock absorber, and interestingly, there's a gold accent on the tube, a small detail that often adds a premium look to a bike. The wheels use a modern-looking alloy spoke design. So overall, this bike is a mix, a classic cruiser yet still contemporary, a potential rival to the Rebel 250 but with a different feel. While the Rebel 250 gives off a clean, neat, and safe impression for many, the Bolt 250 has a more muscle cruiser vibe, more compact, more assertive, and more aggressive from the side. So if it truly enters the 250 class, it could be an option for those who want a cruiser with a more muscular look rather than a subdued one. But let's get this straight. What's clear now is only the appearance and the conceptual direction. Regarding detailed specs, engine, features, and release date, the information circulating is still mixed and inconsistent. So consider this an initial discussion and potential concept while we wait for more reliable information. If it's actually released, what will be the most decisive factor? If the Bolt 250 does indeed hit the market in 2027, there are three determining factors. First, price. In the 250 class, even a small difference can sway people's decisions. Second, riding feel. Cruisers are all about feel. Seating position, handling, comfort, and engine character. Third, after sales and the ecosystem, spare parts, service, and the community are all big influences. What do you think? With a look like this, would you choose the Rebel 250 or the Bolt 250? Write in the comments, Team Rebel or Team Bolt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any updates.